While using any application, it is handy to know the shortcut keys. And if you want to know the shortcut keys for Microsoft Outlook, then you can go around simply over here onto the view option right here. Then you can go to view settings. Once you do that, what you can do is you can go around onto the general settings right here and then to accessibility. And once you do that, over here you can see that it says you can perform any common task using the keyboard shortcut. And you can set it for Windows or web or turn off the keyboard shortcut altogether. But what I want to do is I want to use Outlook for Windows shortcut key, and I can view a list of supported shortcut keys right here. So it says press the question mark key or click here. So as I click, you can see that there's this shortcut key right here. For example, create a new email message is Control N right here, just like this, and reply to this message is Control R. So let me just go around over here and press Control N right here. And once I do that, you can see that a new mail is created. If I were to go around over here and type in, let's say for example, Control R, then you can see that I get a reply to that particular email. And knowing these keyboard shortcut keys actually helps you to perform your works faster inside of Microsoft Outlook. So that is how you can access the keyboard shortcuts and know what they are for Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.